If you're upgrading to a new SSD or replacing your old hard drive, one of the biggest challenges is moving your Windows, applications, and personal data without losing anything. Reinstalling the operating system, setting everything up again, and copying files manually can take a lot of time, and it's not the most convenient process. But instead of doing all that, you can simply clone your entire system and move everything exactly as it is to a new drive. For this, I'm using a tool called EaseUS Disk Copy. I've known and used this software for years whenever I need to migrate a system or upgrade to a new SSD with just one click. It features sector-by-sector cloning, which creates an exact copy of your drive so all your files, system, and data stay exactly the same. It also supports almost all major disk brands and works with different types of storage devices, including HDDs, SATA SSDs, and high-speed NVMe drives. No matter what drive you're using or upgrading to, the software is fully compatible. So, to get started, head over to the link in the description or pinned comment. This will take you to this page. From here, click on Free Trial to download the software. It supports Windows 7 and above versions. Once the download is done, open the setup file and complete the installation as usual. And there we go. I get a pop-up showing that a new drive has been found and asking if I want to migrate the OS to the new disk. All right, let me show you the disks on my PC. And here is my new SSD, which is assigned as drive D. And drives C and F belong to my old hard drive, where the system is currently installed. For a clearer view, this is disk 0 with drives C and F, and this is the new SSD with drive D. Now I want to migrate the entire my hard drive data, including all system files, to this new SSD exactly as it is. And before starting, make sure your new drive has sufficient amount of space to hold all the data. Here on the left side, we have several options. The disk mode allows us to clone the entire source disk to a target disk. System mode is used to migrate the OS to a new drive. We also have partition mode, which lets us clone specific partitions instead of the whole disk. Next is the emergency disk option, which allows us to create a bootable USB to start the system if it fails to boot. And finally, there is network clone, which allows us to clone a disk or operating system from one PC to multiple computers over a local network. This is a very useful feature as we don't need to install the system manually on each device. So here I want to clone my entire hard drive to my new SSD. Here, select the source disk. This is my old disk 0 assigned with system and user partitions. You can even load an image file if you want. Now, select the target disk where you want to copy the data. Here, I want to copy this to my new SSD. You can also preview the partition layout before you start cloning. Let's go to Next. And this is the disk layout. You can even edit the layout based on your preference. Now let's proceed. Here we get a pop-up again. Since my new disk is completely empty, let's continue. All right, it's started. The process will take a couple of minutes or more depending on the amount of data on your old hard drive. So I'll fast forward this process. And there we go, it's done. Now click on Finish. Now let's check it once again. As you can see, the new SSD is cloned exactly like the old one, including the partitions and system drives. Here, disk C and system disk F are cloned to my new SSD. Now everything looks fine. Now let's reboot the system using the new SSD. During startup, press the boot menu key specific to your device, like F12 or F11 or whichever key your system supports. So here's my new SSD, temporarily connected as a USB drive. Let's boot. And there we go. It's booted. You can use this on another PC or install it internally on this existing PC with a new drive. In the same way, if you only want to migrate the OS, the system data, you can use system mode by selecting the source Windows disk and the target new disk. Only the system partition will be moved to the new disk. The same goes for partition mode if you want to clone different partitions. Your data, folders, and existing files will be copied exactly the same without any loss. So that's how you can easily clone your entire hard drive or migrate your system to a new SSD without reinstalling Windows or losing any data. As you've seen, the whole process is simple and very convenient, especially if you're planning to upgrade your storage or replace an old drive. If you'd like to try EaseUS Disk Copy, you can find the official download link in the description and pinned comment. And thanks again to EaseUS for sponsoring this channel and creating such an easy-to-use software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.